Model, 65-plate Volkswagen Crafter CR35 2.0TDI 109PS long wheelbase, needs flywheel. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 151,699. MOT, the 4th of November 2024. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0TDI 109PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox perfect. Unfortunately, the dual-mass flywheel is noisy and will need replacing. Engine gearbox a great straightforward clutch replacement job, still drives okay. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, cruise control, parking sensors, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, Cat N in 2022. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.